Chris Bassett here, and I'm going to show you what I did to fix the Ford Fusion when it was blowing hot air out the AC. Let's get into it. So your air conditioner's been blowing hot air. Let's start by opening up the hood. Go ahead and locate your hood latch, and then pull it towards you to pop the hood. Go ahead and come around to the front of the vehicle, locate the hood latch, slide it to the left, and then pop the hood, and then use the hood latch to hold it open. So right here's a sticker that tells you the maximum amount of refrigerant you need in your vehicle, as well as the type of refrigerant, which is the R134A. So next we're going to locate the lines. There's a high side and a low side. And the quick connect coupler for the refrigerant only fits on one side, so don't worry. So once you locate the vehicle's low side service port, which is here towards the back, the port often has a plastic cap and is located between the AC compressor and the evaporator. This is the only port that the recharge hose will connect to. So next, you want to start the engine and turn on the air conditioner to maximum cool and maximum airflow. And then you want to make sure that you close the doors to the passenger compartment. Since we're only going to be adding a little bit of refrigerant at a time, we want to make sure that the air conditioner is running maximum capacity with the doors closed. That way we can tell if it's getting hotter or colder by a few degrees. So I purchased this SuperTech 134A refrigerant sealer from Walmart. It has the pressure gauge built into the refrigerant can as well as the quick connect. So just make sure you tighten the recharge hose to the top of the can by turning it clockwise, and then you want to make sure that the quick connect is firmly attached. You want to make sure that it's locked into place on the service port. There should be an audible click and then it won't pull back off. You want to turn the push button counterclockwise to unlock it to add refrigerant, and then by pushing down on the push button you'll add refrigerant to the system. If your system is very low on refrigerant, this process can take several minutes. You're looking for the gauge to be in the green and for your air conditioner to be blowing cold air. If the gauge is in the red zone, do not recharge the AC and then get a hold of a mechanic. Do not overcharge and do not vent. Also, you want to check the pressure every 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat the process until the needle of the gauge reaches the low level PSI according to the chart. When you have the correct fill and the air is blowing cold air, go ahead and remove the quick connect from the service port. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and if this was helpful, hit the like button. Thanks.